Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Looking at Jets, AAL, LUV, and JBLU, the airliners having some earnings this week and certainly having a bullish response. Not everybody, but the majority. So looking at Jets here, we had a bullish spike in volume. We're on the verge of a bullish MACD cross down here, and we closed above the upper Bollinger Band. After hitting our recent high back in December, it's been nothing but bullish, healthy consolidation, trading sideways, and really not showing any signs of weakness. And the bulls now showing up and continuing to higher highs and trying to break out again, and they are off to a great start of breaking out. Weekly time frame is a bull flag, and I'll draw it here, but a bull flag is when you have a strong breakout, and then you have normal healthy consolidation that fits within a parallel channel of support and resistance, and then a breakout and continuation. So we're in the continuation phase of that, and it's looking really healthy, and you also want to see decreasing volume on that consolidation for the bull flag, and that's exactly what we saw, leading to higher highs. So the bulls are in absolutely full control of Jets, and the question is now, how much upside are we going to see? Can we remain above the upper Bollinger Band tomorrow and stay in breakout mode heading into next week? Individual names, same looking kind of chart. AAL, normal healthy consolidation, holding the 50-day moving average support, breaking out on big volume, bull MACD cross, and we're looking at resistance of 49.90 and 50.64. We're going to test some of those levels tomorrow, it looks like. Big time volume, close at the high of the day, above the upper Bollinger Band, which has been rejecting the price on the last 3 attempts. So turning that into support, significant for the bulls. Same thing, bull flag of consolidation. Now we're in the continuation phase and really strong heading into the end of this week. LUV even stronger. This is one of the strongest charts out of the sector. Huge bull volume, normal healthy consolidation above the upper Bollinger Band, close at the high of the day, on the verge of a bullish MACD cross, and highest price we've seen by far. So looking at the weekly time frame, big time break to the upside, and let's see if what the next resistance we need to look at. Looks like we're at all-time highs. So blue sky breakout, we've got the S&P 500 at blue sky breakout range. Ideal scenario for bulls is when your individual name and the overall market are both in blue sky. The resistance, very limited. We're looking at psychological levels as resistance. So the high of today, 53.99. We'll look at 54.50, 55, just nice round numbers, as there's no other resistance to be going off of. Now, one name that did not participate in the party was JetBlue, and we started off to a breakout attempt, and then the bears took over and we closed near the low of the day. So this is a very different looking chart. Certainly don't need to tell you that as we're closing down near the low. Support is 2074, and then we're looking down at 1991. So the weekly time frame, it is still normal healthy consolidation, but look at these upper wicks. We've tried to break out twice in the past 3 weeks. Both times have been squashed by the bears. So JetBlue is a clear weaker name compared to names like LUV and AAL, which are blowing it out of the water in terms of performance over the past month. So that's what we're looking at. We're looking for some continuation tomorrow. And again, keep an eye on the overall S&P 500 because if it hits new all-time highs, which it's on the verge of doing, that's only going to give some more fuel, unintended, to the upside for these airliners. So the sector overall looking great. If you want to limit your exposure to individual names, you're playing JETS, which is the ETF, which tracks the airline sector. And we'll see how tomorrow goes. I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful night.